Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Ferrari California battery. First, locate the dedicated charging port, which is typically found in the trunk of your vehicle. Next, ensure you are using a Ferrari-approved 12-volt battery maintainer, as this is crucial for proper battery health. Finally, connect the maintainer securely to the charging port, making sure it clicks into place for a stable connection. Once connected to your Ferrari, plug the battery maintainer into a standard 120-volt wall outlet. Look for the indicator light on the maintainer to confirm it is actively charging or maintaining the battery. Most modern maintainers are smart devices, so simply allow it to work automatically. There's no need to manually adjust settings or worry about overcharging. It's good practice to periodically monitor the maintainer's status to ensure your battery is receiving a full charge. Remember to disconnect the maintainer before you plan to drive your Ferrari. For optimal battery health, regularly inspect the battery terminals for any signs of corrosion and keep them clean. This simple step can significantly extend your battery's lifespan. For extended periods of storage, a trickle charger or battery maintainer is essential to prevent battery drain. Always ensure your vehicle is in a well-ventilated area during charging. Also, if your battery type allows, periodically check its fluid levels and top them off with distilled water as needed. And hey, for other great deals and to stay hydrated, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.